Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you've ever been intrigued by the world of trading but don't know where to begin, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll take you step by step through how to start trading, from the basics to the initial steps you should take. Let's dive into this exciting journey. Before we dive in, it's crucial to understand what trading is. It's the art of buying and selling financial assets like stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies with the aim of making a profit. We'll explore different types of trading, how the market works. Education is the foundation of success in trading. Learn about different markets, terms, and trading strategies. Understand the risks and rewards involved. Books, online courses, and blogs are excellent starting resources. Selecting the market you want to trade in is important. It could be stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, among others. Then, choose a reliable broker that suits your needs and provides a user-friendly platform. Before risking your money, practice on a demo account. This allows you to get familiar with the platform and test strategies without financial risk. Once you're comfortable, you can transition to a real account. Every trader needs a strategy. Define your approach: day trading, swing trading, scalping, etc. Set clear rules for entry, exit, and risk management. Discipline is key in trading. When you feel ready, start with a real account. Begin with capital you can afford to lose. Apply your strategy and manage risk effectively. Don't let emotions take over. Continuous learning and improvement, 1 minute. Trading is a continuous journey of learning and improvement. Analyze your trades, identify areas for improvement, and adjust your strategy as needed. Stay updated on market changes. Remember, trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, patience, and practice. Keep realistic expectations and stay consistent in your approach. Thank you for joining us in this video about getting started in trading. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content related to trading and finance. Do you have questions or suggestions? Leave them in the comments. Until your first successful trade.